Build. I build a house. Destroy. I destroy the wall.
She laughs, she cries.
Remember. Forget. I remember the code. I forget the keys. Agree. Disagree. Agree. Pass. Fail. I pass the test. I fail the exam. Enter. Exit. I enter the room. I exit the building. Buy. Sell. I buy a house. I sell a car. Start. Finish. I start the run. I finish the race. Teach. Learn. I teach English. I learn Spanish. Up. Down. I go up the stairs. I go down the stairs. Tie. Untie. I tie my shoes. I untie the knot. Fill. Empty. I fill the glass. I empty the box. Attach. Detach. I attach the file. I detach the cable. Encourage.
Discourage. I encourage my friend.
The rain discourages him. Increase. Decrease. The price increases. The temperature decreases. Appear. Disappear. The sun appears. The ship disappears. Add. Subtract. I add sugar. I subtract a day. Win. Lose. Our team wins.
I lose my wallet.
Useful. Useless. A useful tool. A useless key. Brave. Cowardly. The firefighter is brave. He is cowardly.
Noisy. Quiet. The street is noisy. The library is quiet.
Talkative. Quiet. He is talkative. She is quiet. Polite. Rude. He is polite. He is rude. Permit. Forbid. They permit parking. They forbid smoking.
Attack. The player attacks. The player defends.
Borrow. Lend. I borrow money. You lend me money. Import. Export. They import cars. They export oil. Raise. Lower. I raise my hand. I lower the window. Reward. Punish. The boss rewards her. The boss punishes him. Succeed. Fail. We succeed together. The project fails. Strengthen. Weaken. I strengthen my body. Sickness weakens him. Understand. Misunderstand. I understand the lesson. I misunderstand the message. Damage. Repair. The storm damages the car. The mechanic repairs it. Tidy. Messy. A tidy desk. A messy room. Rest.
Exercise.
I rest on the sofa. I exercise at the gym. Inhale. I inhale deeply. I exhale slowly. Save. Spend. I save my money. I spend my salary. Live. Die. The green tree lives. The old tree dies. Big. Small. The car is big. The key is small. Old. Young. The man is old. The man is young. Heavy. Light. The bag is heavy. The bag is light. Hot. Cold. Hot coffee. Cold water. Clean. Dirty. Clean shoes. Dirty shoes. Happy. Sad. He is happy. He is sad. Rich. Poor. The rich man. The poor man.
Strong. Weak. She is strong. She is weak.
Full. Empty. The cup is full. The cup is empty. Thick. Thin. A thick book. A thin book. Wide. Narrow. A wide road. A narrow street. Straight. Crooked. A straight line. A crooked line. Safe. Dangerous. The park is safe. The storm is dangerous.
Deep. Shallow. The ocean is deep. The pool is shallow.
Near. Far. The car is near. The car is far.
Open. Close. I open the door. I close the door.
Sleep. I sleep at night. I wake up in the morning.
Push. Pull. I push the cart. I pull the chair.
Throw. I throw the ball. I catch the ball.
Give. Receive. I give a gift. I receive a gift.
Congratulations, you have just mastered 120 opposite words. You are amazing. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.